going to talk precious metals. I'm going to highlight 2 stocks for you today. So there's 2 stocks, highlighted stocks of the day, charts that I think you're going to want to print up and put on your wall so you'll always remember them, or put them in your, trading journal so you'll remember them, because these are the chart patterns we look for when we put capital to work. All right. So before I leap in, don't forget, virtual hedge fund. You're the portfolio manager of your own assets, CIO. We're talking investment thoughts and ideas, but at the end of the day, you got to figure out your risk tolerance and your goals and execute your strategy. You have to be the smart money. It's affecting the commodity rally, and it may be a problem, and that's China. The Chinese stock market's gone literally ballistic in what to me feels like an absurd manipulation. Okay. And I've been saying that to you ever since China exploded off of this base. I believe nothing out of the mouth of politicians in general, and particularly communist China. Okay. I mean, communist Russia. I mean, come on. They are the propaganda kings. You can make fun of anybody you want here in the US, but China and Russia are propaganda kings. So they talk about some massive stimulus program, and everyone rushes into Chinese stocks. And I say, I'm not buying that. I mean, you want to swing trade it, go for it. But I'll believe it when I see it. And so last night, they held a press conference to talk about their stimulus package, and it was a major dud. Let's just leave it at that. It was a total dud. Chinese markets are down. What are we at right now? Over 10% on KWEB, breaking down FXI, breaking down what's FXI coming in at the Hong Kong market got wrecked. FXI is down 10%. I mean, if there's any Armor Insider that's surprised at that, I'm very disappointed. I'm really disappointed. If you really thought the Chinese market was just going to skyrocket, we need to have a conversation one-on-one. I never want to invest in Chinese companies. You want to trade them, go for it. I never want to invest. I never want to have money at risk in the middle of the night while I'm sleeping and the Chinese are coming out with comments. And I wake up and I'm down 10%. It just doesn't make any sense to me. The day trade them, sure. Anything else I have no interest in. Here's a quote from Kyle Bass, who's been a longtime bear, as have I, on China. And what he says is, and this is so true, remember, China's reported GDP is up over 500% in the past 15 years. And your equity investments in China are still down. So the reported GDP growth is 500%. I can't even believe non-farm payroll numbers in this country, but you want me to believe China's GDP growth is up 500%. Okay. But what are the stocks done? They're down. People are losing money on those investments. I don't know why anybody cares about China. There's not you and I on this. I mean, we got too many other places to put money. It's never going to be China for me. You guys have a great trading session. At the end of the day, remember, be the smart money.